Come with us as we visit the beautiful island of Capri off the coast of Italy, where we'll see 3 different grottos.
And we will also have the best pizza ever and see lemons that are the size of your head.
You will not be disappointed.
Good morning. We just got to Naples, Italy, and we are going to do a tour to the island of Capri. So right now we're sitting on a ferry and we're going to sail around the coast and look at all the scenic views from the water's point of view.
And my voice is still going, so she's doing all the time.
And I'm kind of loving it in the morning because usually in the morning he's all chatty and
It's
this
the
was
coffee.
It was a nice quiet morning today. It was great. So anyway,
She'll miss it. She'll miss it. Watch.
I don't think so.
We took a ferry from Naples, which took us close to 2 hours. And by the way, if you take one of the new jet boats, it's a lot faster. But here you see us approaching Marina Grande. And behind the marina, you see the beautiful houses of Capri. Here in the background, you also see Mount Solaro. Behind it is the other city, Anna Capri.
We're getting ready to go around the island of Capri, and there's some caves, and they call them grottos. So we're excited to see what's out here, and then we'll have some time for some shopping and stuff afterwards.
As we toured the island, I couldn't help but notice all the gorgeous boats and super yachts anchored around the island. Around the corner, you're going to see a sculpture of a young Neapolitan boy perched on a rock. His name is Gennaro. He was known to be a street urchin, or also known as Sconizzo. It's tradition to greet him as you pass, whether you're arriving or departing the island. As we were going around the island, we noticed a few caves up high. No idea what they were for or from, so if anybody knows, please throw it down in comments. I am really curious. Also, Donna and I are trying to hit our 500 subscriber mark. So please consider subscribing, go to our channel, and check out all of our crazy adventures. Thank you. Beside the famous blue grotto on Capri, there's also the green grotto and the white grotto. The white grotto is what we're approaching right now. People say that there is a stalagmite that looks like the Virgin Mary in here, and for the life of me, I cannot find it. If you guys know where it is, point it out, please. As we turn the corner, we're approaching the Fara Leone Arch. It's considered good luck to make a wish and kiss your loved one when passing through the arch. As we turn the corner from the arch, we're greeted with these beautiful sights of all these super and mega yachts, right off of the Marina Piccola. It's not surprising since this whole area is known for their celebrities. For example, past celebrities that have been known to stay here a while is Bridget Bardot, Elizabeth Taylor, Jacqueline Onassis, but more currently, Dustin Hoffman, Julia Roberts, and Tom Cruise. Here we enter the Green Grotto, and our captain shows us how he takes his 40-foot boat, goes in bow first, turns around, and puts the aft of the boat within feet of the grotto. He definitely has some skills. Here you see one of the smaller wooden boats that you can hire for a personal tour. Keep in mind, I'm filming this with my GoPro. It has no zoom lens on it. This gives you an idea how close our captain gets to these walls. If you had your personal boat, you could make time to swim through this little arch. I know I would do that. Looks pretty cool. Look how close our boat captain's getting us. I definitely felt comfortable with his navigational skills. If you're interested, the company we're using is Grotta Azzurra. This is the Punta Carina Lighthouse. It was built in 1867 and is Italy's second oldest lighthouse. This is the famous Blue Grotto, which we never made it in because the wait was over an hour. Were we disappointed? Yeah, I guess we'll just have to make another trip back. Walk with us as we go down the streets and into some of the shops in Capri. It's amazing. We'll have some great pizza, best pizza I've had in my entire life. Oh, and look at the lemons that came with the drinks that Donna ordered. You will be amazed. They are huge. Here you see one of the taxis on the island, which is a form of transportation, but from what I hear, they are quite pricey. Honestly, public transportation here is quite good.
Good, huh?
We had a great tour on the ride around Capri. Saw some beautiful things. It was great until it wasn't great. And then we were waiting in line to see this thing called the
Blue Grotto.
grotto. And anyway, it was very hot there. We were in open boat. There were so many people there because it had been closed and because it's a week now. And so it was just hot basically there. We ended up getting onto another boat, which I thought we were going to capsize because there were so many people. And anyway, we didn't end up doing the grotto. After all, we got on another boat because we didn't want to miss our cruise ship. But before we go back to the cruise ship, since we're so hot, we have these. And this is the biggest lemon I've ever seen. So I have a frozen mojito in here, and it really hits the spot.
Click here and watch our trip to El Yunque National Rainforest in Puerto Rico. Click subscribe to the right and watch all of our crazy adventures.